pets that change the outcome of actual wars. A cat once saved an entire submarine crew. 1. Unsinkable is Sam. This cat survived 3 separate warship sinkings. Each time, the crew found him floating in wreckage. He outlived every ship the Navy put him on. 2. Sergeant Reckless. A mare carried ammunition up a Korean mountain alone. She made 51 solo trips under heavy fire. Marines promoted her to staff sergeant with full honours. 3. Wojtek, the soldier bear. Polish troops adopted a bear that carried artillery shells. He drank beer, smoked cigarettes, and slept in tents. The army officially enlisted him with his own rank. 4. A pigeon named Cher Ami. She flew through gunfire with a shattered leg. That single message saved 200 trapped soldiers. Every army in history needed animals more than weapons.